Alrighty, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background image from a photo or from any picture or image that you might choose to use. I find this especially good for making YouTube thumbnails and so forth. When you don't want the whole picture, you just want the picture of you or maybe a picture of a person removed, and you want the background removed. Now, and in this video, like I said, well, it's a video series actually, but this is for internet marketers because you're going to need to know how to do these things, you know, when you're doing your affiliate marketing and everything. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The website is RemoveBG, and as you can see right here, there's a lady here, and first it's going to show the picture of the beach, and then it's going to show the picture gone. But anyway, this tool is quick and easy, and you can do it online and offline by installing it on your computer, which is what I did. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's see, let's try the online method first, actually. So I'm going to find an image. Let me see, let me go to my desktop real quick. See if I can find some Fortnite image. I'm going to see if this will work. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, and what it's going to do is remove the background. Okay, and what you can do, you can go ahead and download it, which I'm going to do. And it's put on my desktop so I can get it real quick. And I'm going to show it to you. It's going to open up. And there it is. Background is removed. So this is the original image, and this is the background removed. Now, you can also install this on your computer by going to, let's see. Let's go to the home page. And what you got to do is first log in or sign up. And you can do that real easy. Let's go ahead and I'm going to do it on Facebook. I'm going to probably have to blur this out. Well, I'll stop it. Okay, logged in. And actually, my email still showed up. So I'm going to blur that out. But anyway, this is going to pop up. So what you're going to do is, no, actually, this is not going to pop up. What's going to pop up first is, we're going to scroll down. We're on the home page. And I have a Windows computer. Here we go. I'm going to go down here to Tools, API. Let's click that. And Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay. So I have a Windows computer. I already have it installed on my computer. So I'm not going to do it again. But if you want to do it for your Windows computer, guess we can just click that. Click that, and yeah, just click that, download and run. Okay, but anyway, once you get it installed on your computer, it's going to look like this. This will be the icon right here. Okay, and what you do, just go ahead and click it, and what's going to happen is it's going to ask you for an API key. But it may not ask me because I already filled in that information. But let's just say I want to choose another image. We'll see if it asks for the API or not. But if it does, you just go back onto the website and get the API key. Now let's see. Okay, it's not going to ask me, because I'm logged in already. Okay. But anyway, to get that API key, and it already removed the background from the image. But if it asks you for the API key, all you have to do is go ahead and sign in. And actually, I want to show you that, though. Well, actually, no, I can't. Okay. But anyway, when you first install on your computer, when you click this, a message is going to come up. It's going to ask you for your API key. So it's going to give you a link, and you just click that link and go ahead and obtain your API key. I wish I could show it to you, but it's not going to work. Okay. Yeah, it looks something like this. But this is going to pop up. And it's going to ask you for the API key. Then you click this right here, get API key. And it's going to take you back to, that's the side I don't want. I want this on Google Chrome. So I'm going to copy this link. Let's see, yeah. But it's going to open up Windows Explorer. And what I do, I just copy the link from Windows Explorer and put it on to Google Chrome. And what you got to do is just sign in. And this is going to show up just like that. It's going to say my account, so forth, and that's going to show up. Okay. Then you're going to click show. It's going to show your API key. You just copy it and come back and paste it right here. So, like I said, you can use this tool, anytime you want to just remove the background from the image, which, you search. I mean, I know a few ways to do that, using, tools, Pixlr, Photoshop, and all that kind of stuff. But this is real simple, real simple. So that's it for this video. And as I come up with different things that I need to know in my internet marketing business or in my app business, I'll make sure and make a video, show you and give you guys these tips. Take care. God bless.